Okay, so I just got back from, where did I go? TJ Maxx, and look what I found. Oh, I'm about to assemble it. Okay, so I bought a planner, which I already have. Why do these glasses look big on me? So I bought a planner and I'm really excited because I already have, okay, I love stationery, office supplies, pens, journals, notebooks, really cute notebooks. I should probably show you my notebook collection that I find at TJ Maxx, Marshalls. What is that? I forgot the name brand, but it's like it's a brand, and they have beautiful covers, and the pages are like thick and really well lined, and I'm just obsessed. Every time I go, I grab one, you know, because they always have different kinds. But anyways, I bought a journal. I already have an agenda planner book thing that I have in my purse, but I feel like this is going to be more like my on-the-go journal where I can put like stickers and stuff like that, rather than my other one, because I know the other one, it can't expand too much, otherwise I don't know. But I just had to get it, and it's becoming a really big trend on TikTok. But I remember these like being popular around, like, I would say like around 15 years ago. I remember I went to Michael's and they had these type of notebooks. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It is called it's basically a traveler planner or a Voyager notebook. They look like this. It's like leather or faux leather. This is faux leather, and this is from the Peter Popper press, and I decided to go for like a red because I usually always get browns, but I'm like, let's go with a red. It's really pretty. I like the size of this. Other people like different sizes, smaller, bigger. There's a brand or a company that they also have this. There's many, but there's one that's very popular, but so expensive, like $50-$100, which is fantastical, whatever. But I want to see if I can commit to this, and if I do and have it for years, and once this breaks down, I'll get like the expensive one. This is like $13-$14 on Amazon, so I thought, let me try this out. And this is so cute because you open this up and there's basically like this. You can put any type of sleeve you want, right? Because it's customizable. This has 3 notebooks in here. It has a lined notebook, a grid notebook, and a blank. And you can refill these papers. It also has it also has this little Ziploc bag here. Basically, it's like that. Like it's held by a elastic. At first I wasn't sure, like years ago when I saw this, I'm like, that's gonna be such a hassle. It's gonna be hanging from your book, and it's not sturdy or whatever. But ever like since I saw it on TikTok, and I'm like, I've been liking it more because you just get to fill it more and more and more, and just, I guess, just like the customizable thing of it all. Like you can just do whatever you want. Also, I've been loving seeing how people decorate it. This elastic, people put charms here or here. I can put like a charm right here. It already has like a little bead. Let me try to hide so you can see it. There's a bead right there. And I figured I picked out some charms, and let's decorate it. Oh, I have like a bazillion charms here. Most of them are like silver or like bronze color. And there's a few keys, but I have a few of them here. I just don't know which one to choose. I picked, because I have Halloween charms as well, and they're silver. I wish I had more gold. I'm not too like loving the silver, but I have that. I have some like logo. I'll just show you. Okay, so this is what I have so far that I picked out from my little stash over here. I have these keys. I'm not sure which one I want to use, but I feel I'm leaning towards this one and this one. And then this on either side. Should I add this right here? Like a little chain. And these right here. Right? Does that look cute? Because this will look cute if it's just like on its own, like bloop, right? But I want all of these charms. I still want to go to the store, something that speaks to me, you know? I feel like this one could go here. Like a little chain I can do. Let me put everything away and make some space for myself. So that's how the journal looks like. I love it. I really like it. Yeah, so I think it's cute. What do you think? It's so cute. Yeah. All right. Maybe eventually I'll show how I would use it, but I'm still trying to figure that out because I'm a very indecisive person, so yeah. Okay.